We're walking in St. Louis Canyon, Starved Rock State Park, Illinois. Early in the morning. No one else is here. It's December 4th. It's cold, but not bitterly cold. Here we are at the end. Let's go ahead and look out a little bit. You can hear the waterfall. Not running that high right now. In the fall leaves, Sicily is a little bit camouflaged here. Okay. Now we're in French Canyon. Okay. Here we go. This is Ottawa Canyon in Starved Rock State Park. A little waterfall, not much in the way of water coming down, just a trickle. Let's get across the bridge here. In Ottawa Canyon. I'm going to go walk behind the little waterfall here. Cecily's coming along. She's pretty excited. Nice reflections in the water. This is called Council Overhang. I'm gonna put Cicely down at the back end and walk away so you can see how big this is. Okay, Cicely, sit. Stay. Okay, there she is. Keep your eye on the little doggy. Stay. All right, that's it. Come on. And here she comes. We're walking through Illinois Canyon. We already made it to the end, now we're heading back out. According to my AllTrails app, we've gone about 11 and a half miles now, and we're turning around and heading back to the car. I don't think we'll have 11 and a half going back because we'll take a more direct route. Maybe about 6 or 7, I don't know. But it's been a fun day. Cold but beautiful weather. I did end up getting my left shoe and sock totally soaked while I was crossing one of these little streams here. It might have been right here when I was coming out. But so I'm going to walk the whole way back with the wet shoe. It wasn't my first choice, but what are you going to do? Okay. They don't have any real way to cross the stream except for on down branches like this, so you kind of take your chance. So we'll do this live and see if I can make it across with both feet not getting in the water. Looks like I got it. Okay. There we go. Cicely's not so concerned about getting her feet wet. All right, so that's the Illinois Canyon. It's one I hadn't been to from last time, and it's the farthest one away from where I parked the car. Last time I cut it short because I wanted to go over to Mathiasen State Park. This time I'm not going there, we're just staying in this park. So I wanted to make the hike all the way out to the end here. But it's a big canyon. Beautiful. All right, heading back to the car.